Measure fence using vernier caliper. I am looking for HMR cuts which can be fitted with this project. Cut using table saw based on measurement using vernier caliper. Put the cuts on the fence. Take HMR and mark to be cut. After everything is fitted, put together using glue. Check using speed square and make sure the angle is 90 degrees. Then secure using nail gun. Cut HMR with size 20 mm. Measure and mark the edge. Then cut using miter saw with angle 22.5 degrees. Measure and mark to make hole. Drill the mark using drill bit 8 mm. Make countersink to lock bolt M8. Drill using spade bit 12 mm. Place bolt M8 on the hole made before, then tighten it. Use super glue to lock bolt M8 position. Assemble this HMR cuts with the main base. Use rounded router blade to make rounded edge. I use rosewood to make handle. Use paper tape to mark easily. Cut the mark using jigsaw. Sander the edge. I use the handle cuts as a template to make another cut. Then I assemble two cuts as one. Use router to knead the edge. And use rounded blade so it comfortable to use. Measure main base to place the handle. Assemble handle on the main base using glue, nail, and screw. Measure the height of the push block and fence. Then, cut HMR using table saw. Measure the position of the bolt M8 on the main base to make the slot on the HMR cut before. Use straight bit 8 mm to make the slot. I make the slots using palm router. I put HMR 18 mm. Measure and mark to make slot. Use straight bit 6 mm to make the slot. Then, I cut HMR with width 18 mm. I put HMR cut before on the back of the push block. Use the cut before as a template to place bolt M6. Drill using drill bit 5 mm. I use tapping M6 to make groove. Put bolt M6 on the hole made before. Secure using super glue. Cut the heads bolt using grinder. I add sandpaper for grip. Cut the excess sandpaper. Polish all the surface using wax for protection and smooth movement. Assemble all parts. I use star knob and wing nut for adjustable easily. Easy handle and smooth movement. I try to cut small HMR. I set up the push block for adjustment. Easy and very safety for cutting small cut using table saw. Now, I try for thinner cuts, but it can't. I replace another push block which is thinner. So, it can cut smaller and thinner cut, very easy and safety.